Looking to upgrade your ride? This issue features 10 must-have car accessories from Amazon, practical, safety-enhancing, and comfort. Boosting these upgrades are essential for every car owner. If you need a truly reliable heavy-duty trailer ball hitch, this triple ball design might be the better choice for you. Crafted from premium forged steel with an all-terrain construction, it delivers a maximum towing capacity of 10,000 pounds, engineered specifically for heavy-duty towing demands. Featuring 3 commonly used ball sizes in one set, it accommodates various trailer needs without frequent equipment changes. Compatible with most standard 2-inch hitch receivers for broad versatility. Features a standard usable length of approximately 7.5 inches and an overall length of about 12 inches, with hitch pin holes on all 4 sides for flexible mounting. Equipped with a trailer hitch pin and featuring a one-touch self-locking buckle design, it secures quickly without tools for simple, efficient installation. Is your trunk always a mess? This car trunk organizer bag is made from durable 600D Oxford fabric, ensuring sturdiness and a comfortable feel. Its adjustable folding design allows full expansion for spacious storage or compact folding for smaller vehicles. When not in use, it folds in seconds and secures with a snap buckle that won't pop open easily. 2 adjustable non-slip straps secure it inside the trunk, preventing shifting during drives. If you want your car to stay organized, a practical storage system is essential. Taking your dog out is a hassle when the trunk gets dirty. This versatile dog trunk liner offers 4 uses in one set: dog luggage cover, trunk mat, rear seat organizer, and picnic mat. Its modular design connects with Velcro for instant shape changes, flexible and practical. Its 5-layer waterproof quilted construction effectively blocks pet hair, mud, and even unexpected spills. The reinforced non-slip base stays firmly in place during sharp turns or sudden braking. If you drive a Toyota RAV4, this little accessory might be just what you need. This 2-piece set of 3D cup holder inserts is custom fit for multiple RAV4 configurations, ensuring a snug installation made from heat-resistant silicone. It resists deformation, is washable, and provides a non-slip grip while minimizing rattling noises during driving. Are your backseat shopping bags always ending up on the floor? This heavy-duty plastic car headrest hook transforms your headrest into hidden storage space. Hang grocery bags, handbags, backpacks, umbrellas, water bottles. Each hook holds up to 55 pounds, perfect for everyday use. The S-shaped design allows tool-free installation and removal with one hand. Once installed, it can rotate and hide behind the headrest when not in use. Saving space, set of 4 hooks fits most sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Keys and phones always slipping into seat crevices? This car seat gap filler seals gaps directly, preventing phones, cards, and coins from falling through. Made of premium PU leather, waterproof and scratch resistant. Designed to fit seatbelt connectors for installation in seconds. Is your screen impossible to clean? This 3-in-1 multi-functional screen cleaner combines spray, wipe, and storage into one. Featuring a transparent ABS protective case with a built-in refillable spray bottle and a microfiber flannel cloth. Just spray and wipe to instantly remove fingerprints, grease, and dust. Perfect for phones, tablets, glasses, car screens, and laptops. Simply wash and air dry when dirty for repeated use. Keep your screens clean and fresh anytime, anywhere. Long drives with the passenger seat cluttered with snacks and odds and ends. This front seat organizer from Mullisoft features 5 main compartments, 4 internal mesh pockets, 2 foldable cup holders, and 2 extra-large side pockets. All with clearly defined storage zones. Secures with seatbelt straps and features a non-slip base to stay firmly attached during travel. Made from waterproof Oxford fabric, just wipe clean when dirty. Includes a built-in handle for easy transfer between vehicles. Is your center console too cluttered? This organizer is specifically designed for the Toyota Camry, keeping your phone, glasses, and keys neatly separated. The lower compartment hides larger items. Reserve power supply openings without affecting charging. Want your car to always look freshly detailed? This Armor All multi-pack of all-purpose wipes tackles interior cleaning, protection, and glass care in one go. The set includes 3 types of wipes. Cleaning wipes remove dust, debris, and everyday grime without harming delicate surfaces. Protectant wipes that help defend against UV rays and oxidation, slowing interior aging. And glass wipes, specifically formulated to remove oil films, fingerprints, bug stains, and road grime from glass surfaces, leaving them streak-free and crystal clear. The single-use design lets you pull one out and use it immediately, making it perfect for quick daily touch-ups. Whether it's the dashboard, door panels, steering wheel, or windows, cleaning is effortless. If you want your car to stay clean and shiny inside and out without spending too much time, this set of purpose-specific cleaning wipes makes maintenance a breeze. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which accessory is your favorite. Product purchase links are in the video description. Want to see more? Click on the next video to keep unlocking car gadgets.